City life can feel fast, crowded, and loud. But imagine having your own little escape just a few steps away. A cozy balcony garden that feels like nature's hug in the middle of urban chaos. Hello friends, welcome to Garden Glow, your place for creative and inspiring small garden ideas. Today we're exploring Small Balcony Garden Design 2025. Cozy urban living ideas. Even the tiniest balcony can become your personal retreat with a few thoughtful touches. Start with your layout. Think vertical. Hanging planters, railing pots, and wall-mounted shelves can save space and make your balcony look lush without feeling crowded. Choose plants that thrive in containers. Ferns, money plants, succulents, or herbs like mint and basil. Mix green tones with pops of color like petunias or marigolds for a cheerful touch. If your balcony gets lots of sunlight, go for hardy plants that love the warmth. If it's shaded, pick low-light varieties like peace lilies or pothos. For that cozy urban feel, add soft textures, a small rug, cushions, or a wooden stool. It instantly makes the space feel inviting. String lights, lanterns, or fairy lights can bring that warm glow at night, perfect for relaxing or sipping your evening tea. You can even add a small corner shelf for your favorite books or candles to create a calm mini lounge. Remember, it's not about size, it's about how the space makes you feel. So if you've been craving a little nature in your daily city routine, turn your balcony into a cozy green escape. Like, share, and subscribe to Garden Glow for more creative and relaxing small garden design ideas.